Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, where we demonstrate the china being listed. And this is a very pretty, not that old teapot made by Sadler. The pattern is one that you may recognise. It's been reproduced quite a lot. It's called Old Charm and sort of harks back to that high chintzy floral design of the earlier part of the century. But I think this is probably 1960s or onwards, maybe even later, could be 1980s. Difficult to know because the china marks were used over such a long period of time. Let's have a look at the lid in a little bit more detail. Nicely formed, oval, with a square front and a retaining lip at the back, in very fine condition, moulded in earthenware china, beautifully decorated and in perfect condition. No condition warnings or notes of any description on that. And then the teapot itself has been used very lightly. There's a little bit of tannic staining just in the base of the spout. A giveaway on the age of a teapot is always if it hasn't got a sieve for the tea leaves in it. It's usually post 1980s, and this one hasn't. It's the tea bag era, so this is probably a sort of 1980s version of the Sadler design. Again, oval in its shape, as you can see. A nice short stumpy spout with some floral decoration down it. Beautifully decorated all the way around, and it's really heavily transfer printed, this, in a beautiful pink and green and orangey yellow umber floral design. Reminds me of Sanderson's fabric, this one, really. There we go, Sadler pictorial old charm made in England, with Sadler England also impressed in there. Little glaze crack through here. It's not through the china at all, it is just the glaze, and that's a thermal crack that's occurred. Somebody pouring boiling hot water into it, as you do. But it's perfectly usable, absolutely sound, and in beautiful condition. So if you've got a set of old charm china that you're looking for, or just a beautiful example of a robust and usable earthenware china teapot, and this one should be microwave and dishwasher safe, although if I was you I wouldn't put it anywhere near a dishwasher unless you want to lose some of the luster on this fantastically conserved glaze. So I would hand wash this one every time. It's available for sale through the Vintage and Antiques website, and we will, in the description below, put a link for you to go directly to the listing for this Sadler teapot. We'll also try and put a pictorial link in on YouTube, so you can just click on that and it'll take you through. But if you're looking for a nice Sadler period teapot, we've got some absolute beauties on catalogue at the moment, so do have a browse through the website if you're just looking generally for a teapot rather than come in on a specific old charm search. Thanks for watching.